Okay guys, I just made these, what is it, antipasto sandwich, is that what it's called? It was on Facebook. It has pepperoni, ham, provolone, mozzarella, banana peppers, crescent rolls, Italian seasoning, and Parmesan cheese. So if you'd like to see how I made these, then go ahead and keep watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe and give me a thumbs up if this looks tasty. And yeah, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so you need 2 rolls of the crescent roll dough. You need Parmesan cheese, ham, whether it's honey ham, smoked ham, I just got Black Forest, some mild or hot pepper rings if you want them, sliced mozzarella, sliced provolone, pepperoni, and some Italian seasoning. I'm just using this little packet because it was cheaper than a whole bottle of Italian seasoning, and olive oil. So the first thing you're going to do is spray your cookie sheet. So I just sprayed mine, and you're going to roll out 1 roll of the crescent roll dough and pinch together the seams. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so I have the dough on. I've pinched the seams together the best I could. I just kind of flattened it out and just spread it out a little bit. I'm also preheating my oven to 350 because these will bake at 350. So after your dough is pinched together and spread out on your cookie sheet, next you want to put on the ham. Okay, so I just laid out some ham. I did not use the whole package. Here's what's left. And next I'm going to layer on the sliced pepperoni, or the sliced mozzarella, and then I'll do the pepperoni and the provolone. Okay, so I've got the mozzarella on, and I'm going to layer on the pepperonis. Ooh, and I'm flinging pepperonis all over. Whoop, sorry, I don't even have you pointed at the food. So yeah, I'm just gonna layer on pepperoni, but this might take a minute, so I will show you when it's done. Okay, so I put the pepperoni on, and I put a lot because I absolutely love pepperoni. So now I'm going to layer on the provolone cheese, and then I'm going to put the banana peppers only on half because I don't think Jay and Adriel will eat them. So let's go for the provolone. Okay, I'm just getting some of the juice off these peppers because I don't want my sandwich to be soggy. So these are some mild banana peppers, which I love. They're really good on salads. And I'm just going to put these on half. I love these on like strombolis and like calzones, salads. They just add like a little bit of kick without being hot, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. Speaking of Jelly Bean, that reminds me, where is Jelly Bean? I used to watch her videos. She used to comment on mine. And like I went to her page and she hasn't done videos in a long time. Like, where did she go? I hope nothing happened to her. So there's that, and now I'm going to roll out or put the other crescent dough on top of this one. Okay, so I have the dough spread out on top. I just kind of pinched it to the bottom ones and tried to pinch the seams together. And now I'm going to brush it with olive oil and then sprinkle the top with Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning, or whatever you're using for your Italian seasoning. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so I have the Italian seasoning and the Parmesan on top, and I'm going to go ahead and bake them at 350 for 30 minutes or until golden brown, and then I will cut them into squares, but I will come back and show you the after. Okay, I just took them out. They were in for 30 minutes, and now I'm just letting them cool for a minute before I cut them, so everything doesn't just slide right out of it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, so I just cut this into 8 squares. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this back square for Adri so it can cool. I will get, I don't know if Jay wants banana peppers or not. I do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get, this would help if I used my pot holder to hold the pan. That'd be too easy. So I'm going to get this front corner. Okay. I'm going to get this front corner. from myself.